Welcome back to another unboxing video. It's Jason here, and the setting's a little different because my room is now the one that's getting renovated. This is my brother's room, so for the most part it's all finished. Just gotta put up the curtains and do some minor touch-ups. I don't know if they're done with the closet. They gotta paint the door, and I think that's it. But I'm guessing for the rest of this month, I'm gonna be in this room. If you're wondering, no, I haven't got around to the previous unboxing videos yet. I got bombarded with a lot of homework. It made me want to cry, to be honest. Kids, if you can find a way to be successful without going to college, please do so. Don't do what I did, because I was just flip-flopping around through different majors, not knowing what to do. I'm a fifth year, and I'm bombarded with a lot of homework and a bunch of unnecessary stuff I don't want to do. Anyways, that's enough about me. We have a special unboxing video. No, it's not military surplus. I got in trouble with my parents because they thought I was quote-unquote too obsessed with the military, even though this is just like a collector's type of thing. People collect stuff all the time. It's my parents. They're gonna get mad at something. I'm just gonna have to find a way to be able to continue that hobby sometime in the near future. So probably when I move out of here and get my own place, I'll probably pick up the hobby again. That's gonna put a pause on the military surplus unboxing. In exchange for that, we're gonna be doing normal unboxing videos. So I do need to stock up on newer clothes. I did end up like throwing out a whole bunch, and I still have a whole bunch that I have to throw out because stuff doesn't fit anymore. Today is a special unboxing video. And I'm sorry for the lighting. I don't know why the light in this room is like that. It's so bright, and it just makes the camera look all weird and stuff. What are you gonna do, right? It's so weird. Hey, on the flip side, I get to play my brother's Xbox, so I'm playing Halo Infinite now. Unfortunately, there isn't a whole lot to do in that game, so there's supposed to be a massive update coming soon with some newer stuff coming into the foray, new armor attachments, and hopefully new game modes. I'm still waiting on Infection mode. I don't know why in the world did Halo Infinite not release with the legacy game modes. They had Team Deathmatch, they had Big Team Battle, and they were just missing a whole bunch of other stuff. Infection at this point should just be a given standard of the game. I don't know why they decided to take that out. Special unboxing video. Let's get into it. It's already been 3 minutes and I've been rambling on for way too long. The package is from Custom Ink, and you're wondering why Custom Ink. I want to give a little bit of a background on what this package is going to be, because I already know what this is. I did a previous video, the last sort of military surplus unboxing video I did, so that's the video before this one. I talked about this package a little bit, said I wasn't going to open it because I wanted to do something special with it. Tomorrow I will be doing something special with it, not today because it's too late. I do have to get in my sleep because I work in the morning, because you know, I somehow have to contribute to this gigantic house that we can't even pay. My brother, who has a YouTube channel called Cat Booster, I don't even think he uploads anymore. Hey, you know, go sub to his channel, give him a reason to upload again, do something fashion orientated instead of just music. I mean, like, you know, music's kind of my thing now, but my brother started his own clothing brand. It is called Day by Demon, which you can find on Instagram. The idea behind Day by Demon, it was a collaboration between him and his girlfriend. They started about a while ago, so probably like a month ago, probably mid-February-ish. So they're starting to get the ball rolling. So right now the only thing they have are sweaters and hoodies. You're gonna find out what I got soon as I go through and kind of get the backstory. I think the idea behind Day by Demon is supposed to be like, it's supposed to be streetwear, which is something my brother has been getting into a lot. I'm more of like a military surplus type. I'm such a camel nerd. Like, I just wear camel with everything that I have, so that's me. My brother has a bit more style than me, so to say. So he actually knows how to dress versus I just throw on whatever I can and just say, hey, I got some clothes on, I'm ready to go. That's not my brother. He has his clothing line. I'm not sure if the stuff is sold out yet. I'm pretty sure he still has some stuff, so don't forget to check out Day by Demon on Instagram. He has a lot of stuff coming into the works. Let's just get into it. You already know what it is. Standard procedure, standard operating procedure. We're gonna open this package and just make sure that we don't cut the thing by accident. That would be awful. So what we have right now is what is this? Oh, this is just the Custom Ink little note thingamajig advertising their services. You guys know what Custom Ink is. It's a business where it allows you to print your design on various different types of clothing, and it's very cheap and affordable in the long run. That's basically what Custom Ink is. I'm not sure what to do with this. I'm gonna throw this out later. But anyways, let's get right into it. First, normal unboxing video. I'm sorry guys, but the military surplus is gonna have to wait, but this is also very cool, so you guys won't regret it. We have the Day by Demon hoodie. Look at that. As you can see here, this came in February 22nd, or I don't know if this came in February 22nd or if this got printed February 22nd. So I ordered this in large. It's in a gray because I have way too many black hoodies. So this is my 5th hoodie I have so far. So it says Day by Demon, and then there's a design on the back. Yeah, so it says get that S word done, and it just says, yeah, it basically is just like it's that, and it's like in a circle. It has a little logo. It's pretty cool. I'm very glad that my brother decided to do something very creative. Used to be back in the day, he was making offensive memes on Instagram, and as soon as his account got banned, he turned into a different person. So the special thing I'm gonna do with this, that I'm gonna try to get some professional photos to take pictures of me in this hoodie, and then I'm gonna send the pictures to my brother so that he can promote the brand, get the ball rolling on his clothing line. Wow, it's very comfortable. I like it. Yeah, it's very comfortable. It's not too baggy, which is why I don't like all hoodies. They're too baggy. This one is not too tight, but it's not too loose either. So it's kind of like that in between. It's hard to take a lot of just because I have a sleeping shirt on. So here's the front. You see the back. I already filmed that. And that's pretty much the hoodie. I paid $55 for this. $55 flat. He usually accepts either Cash App, which I did. I did Cash App, and I think he also does PayPal. I also have a PayPal, but I have no idea how to use it, so I just use Cash App. This is the hoodie. It's very nice, very comfortable. Tomorrow, I'm hoping to get a professional photographer who I also have to be my good friend. He takes a lot of scenic pictures throughout Utica. He's very good at that. I'm gonna get some pictures in the hoodie, promote the brand. I'll also have those pictures up on Instagram, my Instagram, which is @Jason_Houn. I'm pretty sure there's also a link in my YouTube channel. You go to the About section. It has all my social medias and stuff. But yeah, this is pretty much the unboxing. It's pretty special because it's my brother's clothing. This isn't like something that, this isn't like, the military. Because the military surplus, while it is special, like, you will find it either way, even if it does happen to be rare. There's always a good chance that you will find it because militaries are constantly updating their clothing and their gear, and their, some stuff becomes obsolete and they push it out. People grab it as streetwear or as when they do military cosplays or airsoft or whatever. This is different. This is my brother's clothing. Yeah, you can see right here, my brother's clothing. It's very special. I've decided to go all in, full speed in supporting my brother's brand, and I hope that he's very successful in what he's doing right now. I'm just proud of him. Decided to make his own clothing line. Not many people can say that, It takes a special type of someone to be able to say, hey, I'm gonna sacrifice so-and-so to be able to create something cool and creative for people out there and make my mark on the world. You know what I mean? Yeah, and that's all I got to say. That's it. That is the unboxing video. Again, I'm sorry. Military surplus is not going to happen for a long while, except for this one thing I ordered off of eBay. It was at a discount, and that's probably not going to come in for another month and a half, 2 months maybe. That'll probably be like the last military surplus unboxing for a while until I find a way to either do it low key or I just end up moving out of my parents' house, pick up the hobby again. You know what I mean? Anyways, that's it. That's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Don't forget to follow my brother's clothing brand @DayByDemon on Instagram. They only have Instagram right now, so it would be great if we can get the ball rolling and get the Instagram growing and have a big, large following, because that's usually how clothing brands work. If you have a small following, it's not gonna, be as prolific as it should be. That's all I have to say. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Comment down below what you think of my brother's first line of clothing. And if you can, don't forget to buy one. They have hoodies and sweaters for now, but I'm pretty sure later on in the future, he will offer more different types of clothing, whether it be t-shirts, regular long sleeves, shorts, sweatpants, you name it. Like, the list goes on and on and on. There's always something for somebody. I'm just hoping this brand goes well. I think I'm done. I keep saying I'm done, and then I end up saying something else, but have a lovely morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are in the world. These are tough times that we are living in, especially what's been going on between Russia and Ukraine. Don't want to harp on that too much because that's just me doing doomer news, and we've already seen enough of that on the news lately. So I just wanted to make this video as a way to promote my brother's brand. Ultimately, provide you guys some entertainment in these dark times that we are living in. Stay safe, keep the spirits up. We will get that beat done. Ow, my lips. Okay, I'm gonna end this video. Bye!